Hello my friends, welcome back to math class. Today we're doing 11-3, which we are talking about polygons. Polygons are just shapes. So real simple. You should have watched the other two videos before this. I know the one was kind of pretty simple, but I just wanted to refresh your memory about what polygons are. So obviously you guys know that this, hopefully, is a triangle. So that's a polygon because it has sides and vertex. So you have your one side here, vertex, another side here, vertex, and then you go up here and that's another side and a vertex. Remember, the vertex is just the point where the shapes match. Okay, so right now this has 3 sides, and you're going to have to do a paper and you're going to have to talk about the sides, number of parallel sides. So there aren't any parallel sides. Remember, parallels are lines that go together like a railroad track. Okay, now if I were to continue these lines, they would just keep going on and on forever. They're not ever going to cross. But when you look at a triangle and I continue those lines up, those lines will always cross. So these are not parallel because they're not going together in a track. These will never be parallel here in a triangle. Okay, so that's our shape and sides. So if I took a rectangle, I know that my rectangle has 4 sides. It's also a polygon. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 4 sides. And if you extend the lines, so if I were to extend the lines to go like this, if I were to extend the lines to go like that, I know that these two are parallel. Also, if I extended the lines going this way, and I extended the lines going that way, because they're never going to cross over each other, they're straight up and down. So any type of square or rectangle is going to have parallel sides, the sides that are opposite each other, but that they look like a railroad track. Okay, that they're never going to cross each other. So that's what parallel sides means. Okay. On our practice page, they talk about convex polygons and concave polygons. So if you see a shape like this, nowhere does it go in. All the shapes are on the outside. So this is just convex. Okay, it just means that all the shape is right where it is, the lines are right where they need to be. But if my shape decided to go inside the shape, then we call that concave. Just think of a cave. You walk inside of a cave. So this one is concave. Okay, so convex means that the shape is somewhat whole. Looks, it's a shape, but it's like a whole shape. But the concave means that part of it looks like it's missing. So it went in somewhere. Or if it was like a triangle. Okay, this is just a regular triangle. It's a convex shape. Vex meaning it's just the way it should be, okay, convex. But if my triangle did this, and the shape now goes in and it looks like an arrow, it has a cave almost. It made itself a cave. Okay, so that's the difference. There's only 3 questions on that, but I wanted to make sure that you understood the difference between convex and concave. The only other thing I really want to tell you is that polygons have to have a closed shape. It has to have closure. So like our triangle is closed. There's no openness to it. So that's a polygon. This is an open shape. It's not closed. It never finished here. So that is not a polygon. Also, your polygon can't have any curvy lines. So polygons have straight lines. So there's your triangle, your square, your rectangle. None of them are curved. Well, mine might look a little curvy. It's supposed to be straight. Okay, straight, exactly straight across. If I had a ruler, it would be much better. But if you had something that looked like the shape of a ice cream cone, okay, not a polygon because it has a curve in it. Or if I had a triangle that never finished, not a polygon. Okay, polygons have to have closed shapes. And so no curves, no openness. Okay, polygons have to be closed and they have to be straight. Okay, so hopefully with all the videos you watch and just a couple things here, making sure you're taking notes so that you know what you're doing. And remember, on our reteaching page, they give you examples of what to do. Okay, and if you need help, reach out because this one was a little tougher. Okay, so let me know if you need any help. All right, have fun.